This is one I've just finished. It's a Mk1 Tomahawk base, but what I've done, I think you can see what I've done. I've tried to do a copy of a mini SE chopper. Really, for me, this is how it should have been turned out, rather than the Jubilee Mk2 which was brought out. What I did, I've had that machined so we can get the S3B hub in there with the 3-speed and the 55mm hub brake. Actually manufactured the rear rack from a Mk2. That's Mk2 as well, a Mk2 sissy, which I've had to use and fabricate onto the old Mk1 sissy, using the adjusters as well, so it's actually adjustable. We retained the original Mk1 rear mudguard. Could have done with going slightly further over the back, a bit like on the Mk2, and you can see it's sunk down just that little bit, but what it would take to alter that, it wasn't really worth doing. Coming to the front of the bike, I've put in a 3-speed shifter with the correct colour knob, a Mk2 front mudguard, which I've had to slightly modify to go through the Tommy forks. Wheel straight from a Formula 3, obviously the front wheel. Now I've used, and I've plated these are Mk2 handlebars, but it had to go into the Tommy stem, which you can see it's took some fabricating. I've actually put a light bracket in there as well, but it's solid. Used the R-nuts as well, kept R-nuts on the seat. This again was off the Mk2, and I've had to fabricate all this up, a bit of panel beating, fabrication, took off the front, squared the back off. It works. This side of the department, you can see the chain guard I've cut down for Mk2, because the Chopper SE has the full-size chain guard on. Full size obviously doesn't suit this. This is the Mk1 crank, which I've had to manufacture bushes, make bushes myself, because you cannot get bushes anywhere for the Mk1, which is different to the Mk2. And if you look underneath, you can see I've fabricated the stand as well. I've plated the stand, put the stand in, which works, nice angle. Got the decal set for the SE. That's about the lot, because the seat was from the Mk1. Didn't need to do anything with that apart from just tidy it up. Nice original material on there, just wanted a good tidy. Handlebars, the grips are reproduction, and these came off, I think it was a Super Grifter, because it's got the correct shroud on it as well. Try to keep some original cables, others I've had made up, like this rear one, because the rear one going into that 55mm hub brake is an extraordinary length, so it just seemed to make more sense having a new one made up for that. Another thing with the frame, obviously getting these cable guides on. It's got all the cable guides in the right place. It's got one under there, and obviously two there, which made it right tricky trying to get the decal on, because it comes hard up against them little cable runners. And to finish it off, we've put on a heron badge as well, just to make it look a bit authentic. As for riding it, it doesn't ride too bad, to be fair. I mean, even a Tommy, and I'm over 13 stone. Let's just have a look. We'll give her a ride down the drive. Well, first gear. Being such a small crank, it does take some pushing round, especially in third. And we'll come back down in a second. And one good thing about these hub brakes on such a small bike, let's just see if we can lock it off. Yeah, she locks off. On the chopper, they don't work at all. The horrible things. So, as for bikes go, hasn't been a bad little project. I've quite enjoyed building it, and it goes smashing. Even for a 13-year-old bloke, 13 stone bloke on a 7-year-old's bike. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and I probably will be putting this up for sale because I want to move on to the next project.